Things that can take your affiliate marketing venture to the next level. Getting into affiliate marketing can help any website owner realize the full potential of his or her website. Affiliate programs reward the efforts of dedicated webmasters quite richly. All that a website owner needs to do is learn a little about the best ways to employ affiliate marketing and how to avoid the potential pitfalls in the field. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. Affiliate marketing and SEO go hand in hand, you can't have one without the other. Once you join an affiliate marketing program, determine the best keywords that will drive potential buyers to your site. Making your site easy to find and highly relevant to the product you're advertising will translate into more click-throughs and more conversions. Become an affiliate marketer yourself. This advertises your company on many different websites, and you pay the affiliate a small fee for each sale they generate. You can keep track of these on your own if you so desire, but many companies opt for other third parties to take care of the method. There are lots of webmasters earning great profits through affiliate marketing who are entirely self-taught. Success in affiliate marketing comes through hard work, and that hard work starts with extensive learning. The ideas in this video could be just the beginning of a website owner's affiliate marketing education. By scouring the internet for wise advice, any webmaster can improve his or her affiliate marketing efforts. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.